So over here, you can see that I have this text. So let's just go ahead and then rotate this around right here. And let me just go around over here and then resize this out as well. So if I were to go ahead and select out all of these texts right here, I can go ahead and change the text size as well. So this is a normal size. So let's go for caption size right here. So let's say I want this text to be right here inside the shape. So let's just go around onto shape and let's say, for example, fill it out with a color. But wait a minute, it's actually covering up the text besides. That is because this particular layer right here is behind this particular layer. So if I were to click right here, you can see that it seems as if the text is being on top, but as soon as I click outside, you don't see it right there. So for that, I can actually do some layer management. So to do that, I can click on the three dot button and change the order. So you can see that I have an option to move up, down, or move to bottom. So let me just go around and move this to bottom right here. So let's just go around over here, move to bottom right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and let's say, for example, move to the top right here. So once you do that, you can see that this particular text right here is actually now on top of this text. So the layer right here, let's say, for example, I got multiple objects, as you can see. Let me just go ahead and unlock it. You can see that this layer right here, this text layer is at the top at the moment. So if I were to go to the text layer right here, change the order and move down, let's say, for example, then it goes one step down, as you can see. So now if I want this one step up, then I can go around over here, change the order, move up right here, and you can see that it is one step up. Similarly, you can go ahead and do the same with the shape as well. As you select, it seems as if the shape is coming to the top, but you can move up right here and it comes one step up. So you can go around over here and move it up right here just like this. It comes one step up. Go around over here, move it up. It comes one step up again. So if I were to go ahead and let's say, for example, move to top, then it simply comes to the top. I can go around over here, move to the top, let's say, for example, then it simply goes ahead and becomes the topmost layer. But if I were to go ahead and choose move to bottom, then it becomes the bottommost layer, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and manage out the layers inside of Jotboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.